Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner, Shampooer Machine, Lightweight, FH50700, Blue. Easy to use, lightweight and compact design for efficient cleaning and storage. Plastic handle material. Powerful cleaning, good for pet messes, high traffic areas, and small spaces. Faster drying, HeatForce for faster drying so you can get back on your carpets quickly. 2x more cleaning power than the competitive lightweight carpet cleaner. Bonus tool and cleaning solution included, comes with a Hoover Nozzle Cleanout Tool and a Hoover Trial Size Solution to help enhance your cleaning performance. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.